Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to integrate WordPress with Slack for real-time post update notifications. So whenever a post is updated in your WordPress account, then a channel message in Slack will be sent. So we are going to create an automation with the help of Fably Connect, where our trigger will be the post updated in WordPress and our action will be to send channel message in Slack. Let us learn how to do that.
So let us learn that how you can automate this process, that whenever a post will be updated in WordPress, any single post, not a specific one, but any post will be updated and that data will be sent to your Slack channel as a message or a notification. So let us create an automation for that. Sign in into your account. That will take me to this place where I can see all the applications provided by Fably. And we are going to use Fably Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now. That will take me to the dashboard of Fably Connect. Reaching here, you will see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send Notifications on Slack Channel for Updated Post in WordPress. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger and Action, that are the two major modules of Fably Connect on which the whole automation works. Now, I would like to remind you to open your WordPress account and also your Slack channel wherever you want to send the messages in separate tabs beside Fably Connect workflow, so that whenever you need to connect it with Fably Connect, it will be easier. And also you can cross-check the activities that you are going to perform while this workflow is being created. So let us understand, trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger will be the first application where the event will take place manually, or we are going to perform the change. And that change will trigger this workflow so that the action application does this, which means performs the assigned action. So the trigger application here is WordPress, because the post will be updated in WordPress, which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action application will be Slack, where the message will be sent. The trigger event will be post updated. So read what's given here below. Trigger when a specified post is updated. So we do not want a specified post to be updated. We want any random post will be updated in our account and that message will be sent. So we are going to take this one, post updated instant. Triggers when existing post updated. So a post that is already existing in your WordPress account will be updated with this trigger event. Now we will be provided a webhook URL using which we can integrate Fably Connect and WordPress in such a way that anytime a new post is updated, so only that specific situation is provided to send all the data of the updated post here as a webhook response. So these are the instructions given to you. You have to follow these instructions in order to use this webhook URL. So let us do that. First of all, you have to go to plugins to add a new add-on which will help you use this webhook. So come over here to the left panel and scroll down to find plugins. Click on add new. That will take you to this page, add plugins, and here you have to type WP webhooks. The result will have this WP webhooks with green color icon. Create powerful automation workflows directly within WordPress. I have it as active because I have installed it. You need to install it in your WordPress. Once you're done with this, when you go to settings under plugins only, here you will find WP webhooks in your settings. Click on this and then click on send data, because we are going to send data from our WordPress account to Fably Connect. Now scroll down and here are all the webhooks that you have created for these given different situations. Now we want the post updated webhook. So click on this one and these are the three webhooks here used for post updated. So we are going to add new webhook URL, give it a name. I'm going to name it as Slack notification and then copy this webhook from here and paste it in this section. Click on add for post update and the webhook is added over here. Now one last thing to be left. Go to these three dots and open the menu, go to settings and choose the type of post on which this trigger will work, that is post. Okay, so the updating will be of a post, not page, media, revision, nothing but post. Once this is done, scroll down, come here to save settings. Now the settings are saved and you can go back. So we have done the integration process. Now you can see it is waiting for a webhook response, which means that it is time for us to go and do a sample change over here about the trigger event. It is post updated. So let us go and update a random post in our WordPress. So scroll up again and come here to post and all post. You will have the list of all the posts in your WordPress. Now let us take save water over here. And when you open Save Water, just erase this part. This is your paragraph written for Save Water. Already a post has been created. Now we will just update it and write over here, thank you. Okay, so we have made some changes to our existing post. Click on this update and see this page will reload and update itself. See, it is updated now. Let us go back to Pabbly Connect and see. We have a response over here. Scroll down and then you will see first of all the title of the post. It is correct, yes. We chose a random post. This was updated and we have the updated content also over here. Okay, this was the post before post content. Okay, so this was the post earlier. You scroll down, this is the post content, that is later. So when you scroll down, you will have the thank you over here instead of that POP written, which means it is updated. All right, and also we will have a post perma link, which is actually the link to the WordPress post directly. All right, so we are going to use that link also to send it to our Slack channel. So let us close this window because we have done our trigger step very easily and completed it perfectly. Open your action step and write over here Slack and choose your action application as Slack. Event will be to send channel message. Click on connect. We are connecting Pabbly Connect and Slack so that the information that Pabbly Connect has received from WordPress should be safely transferred to Slack. And that is why it needs to have a connection. Add new connection and connect with Slack. Now you have to enter a token type for the connection. The token types given over here are user and bot. Now to understand what is the significance of both of these tokens, you have to click on this here link. It will take you to the forum page of Pabbly Connect where you will find the difference that if you choose token type as user, you will be allowed to perform all these actions. And in case of bot, you will be allowed to perform all these. So we want to send a channel message without image. Even if it is with image, you can choose bot over here. So let us go back to workflow and type over here bot. Click on save and just a dialog box will appear. You have to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly Connect. Once it is done, your authorization will be complete and accounts are connected. Now you have to choose a channel where you want to send the message. So these are all the channels of my Slack account. I have already opened the resources channel because here I do not have any message already existing. So it will be easier for us to understand that yes, a new message has been sent just now. So now let us choose resources over here. Either you can scroll down and find I found it already, or you can just type over here. All right, so this is my channel name. Now let us type a message. This is the title and then I will write the main message. So I have written the WordPress post title and I will map the title over here because every time a new post will be updated, so new title will appear. So I'm not going to type that manually. This is the title of my post, comma. Please check through the link and here you can type link which will take you straight away to the post perma link. And this is the link of our WordPress post. Once this is done, you don't need to have any image URL. If you had, you can type it, you can enter it over here. No alternate text, bot name, bot icon, nothing required. Just simply come over here to click on save and send test request. Once you do this, you will see that you receive a response. Whenever you receive a response from the action application, always look for any error because you can make the changes then and there. If it shows no error, which means your work has been done perfectly. Your workflow is perfectly fine. So let us close this window. And this is our tiny workflow. Let us go to our Slack channel and check were we able to send a message successfully to the channel exactly where we did the settings for. Here is our channel and see post updated with the link over here. You open this link and you will be taken to our WordPress post. Here it is. See, this is the updated post we have, which means that our work has been done correctly. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.